Coconut lentil curry. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion. Grate 1-inch piece of ginger. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Crush 8 cardamon pods. Grate 1 carrot. Grate 1 zucchini. The ingredients are now prepared. Pour a splash of water into a hot saucepan, add the onion and garlic and ginger and saute for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Add 1 teaspoon each of cinnamon, turmeric and allspice. Add the 8 crushed cardamom pods and stir. Cook for 2 minutes to allow the flavours to combine. Add 4 cups of cooked lentils. Add the homemade coconut milk. Add 1 cup of water or vegetable stock. Add salt to taste. Bring to the boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Add 2 cups of peas. Add 1 grated zucchini. Add 1 grated carrot. Stir well and bring back to the boil. Top with shredded coconut and a squeeze of lemon.